Alright guys, welcome aboard the Safari 4. My name's Alec, and that's Mike. We'll be with y'all today.
What is that top one? Zebra?
Yeah, it's a sand perch.
Nice bass.
Welcome back to JL Outdoors and welcome to part 3 and final part of the Hurricane Fishing Fleet 6-hour fishing charter. As you can see, I had the captain fillet the fish for me, and for the rest of this video I'll be going to Walmart, getting the stuff to make fish tacos, going home and frying them up for y'all. Hope y'all enjoy.
Well, that's the end of the day, end of the fishing charter. I had them clean the fish for me, fillet them, got them right here. Go back and cook them up. Alright, I'm walking into Walmart right now. I'm gonna go get the ingredients to make fish tacos tonight with the black sea bass and the sand perch that I caught today. I was gonna cook the fish tonight. I went to Walmart, as you saw, and I got everything to make the tacos, but I got back and I'm just so tired that I'm just going to bed. I'm gonna tear the tent down and everything tomorrow, and then I'll head home and I'll show y'all me cooking the fish and making the tacos and trying everything tomorrow. It's the next morning. We got up, tore the tent down. I have all my stuff in the car with me, and we're on the way home. When I get home, I'm gonna go ahead and cook that fish. I was gonna do it last night, like I said, but I was too tired, and so I just went to bed, got up this morning, tore all my stuff down. So I'll see y'all when we get home, and I'm gonna get that fish in the fryer and make some fish tacos. So like I said, we're back at home. I got everything laid out to make the fish. Got the fish, got the tacos, got the fish fry, oil, Taco Bell avocado ranch, cheese, lettuce, and peppers, and we're gonna get outside and we're gonna start frying up this fish. I'm not gonna make all the fish tonight just because that's a lot, and I'm just eating it by myself, so I'm probably gonna cook 4 fillets. These 2 right here are the sand perch that I caught. The rest of it is black sea bass. So I'm just gonna cook the sand perch. So I'm just gonna cook the sand perch and the black sea bass, and the rest of it's just gonna get frozen for me to eat later.
It's gonna... Okay, yeah.
I'll put the sand perch in first. Get it in the batter, shake it up, get it nice and battered up. Now we're doing the black sea bass. I need tongs. Bruh. What the? Alright, so apparently my off-brand Coleman grill is broken, so we're gonna take this inside. The oil should be hot enough now, so we're gonna go ahead and put the fish in. Alright, so there wasn't enough batter on the first fillet of the sand perch, so I'm going to try. I'll put a piece of the black sea bass in there. I rebattered it, put in water and rebattered it, so hopefully these work better. This one may have came out alright, I don't know. We'll see how these ones come out. That one's definitely gonna be crispy. This one's just like deep fried fish, but without the batter. And there might be a little bit on there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the other black sea bass and the other sand perch in there.
Okay, these are gonna look good. That first one, maybe not so much.
But these,
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna try this sand perch that I kind of messed up.
Very good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Steaming.
I gotta cut the bones out of some of them because I'm not trying to die on a bone, a fish bone. Never mind. I guess the bone's cooked out. I don't know. Gonna find out. Here's a black sea bass. Apparently all saltwater fish are the same, or look the same on the inside after being cooked, so I kind of lost track of which one was the sand perch and which one was the black sea bass, but we got a piece of the fish in there. Yeah, I'll add the whole fish in there, why not? Get a little lettuce in there. A little cheese. A couple jalapenos. I'll light my ass on fire. Some Taco Bell avocado ranch. Oh God, yeah.
Take a bite.
Let's see what it does.
Yeah. That's good. Oh yeah.
Maybe we'll get some fish in this bite. The last bite was all taco and everything else but the fish. But fish is right there, so that sauce is so messy.
God. Dang.
Oh yeah. I think that was a sand perch. Honestly, I'm not sure. But either way, black sea bass, sand perch. It's all gonna be good. Throw it in a taco, fry it. It's gonna be delicious. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more fishing content, and I'll see you all in the next one.